Wi-Tek wireless long-range transmitters have been redesigned and upgraded with a brand new look. From CPE110 to CPE511H, transmission distances are supported from 1 km to 3 km. You can make flexible choices according to the transmission distance. Open the bottom cover and adjust the LED digital button for quick pairing without a complicated setup. The CPE513P and CPE800 both support a maximum transmission distance of 5 km, and the CPE513P supports a PO output port, which can be directly connected to the IP camera. The CPE821 supports one-touch quick pairing without web configuration. The CPE821 and CPE517 are ideal for point-to-multipoint CCTV monitoring projects. Wi-Tek Cloud Service enable remote management and intelligent operation and maintenance of all devices, helping enterprise networks run efficiently. With Wi-Tek, let's connect, innovate, and grow together.